Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS Transit Gateway for multi-account networking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable AWS Transit Gateway for multi-account networking, start by signing into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the VPC dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Transit Gateways. Select Create Transit Gateway to initiate the process. Enter a descriptive name for your transit gateway. Optionally, fill in the description to clarify its purpose. Configure the ASN if you need a specific value, or leave it at the default. Under Attachment Options, choose whether to enable Resource Access Manager. Select the region where you want to create the transit gateway. Click Create Transit Gateway once you've filled in the necessary details. Wait for the transit gateway to be created, which may take a few moments. Next, create a transit gateway attachment for each account. Navigate to the Transit Gateway Attachments section. Click on Create Transit Gateway Attachment. Select the transit gateway you just created from the drop-down menu. Choose the VPC or VPN that you want to attach. Specify the subnet IDs for the attachment. Review the settings and click Create Transit Gateway Attachment. Repeat this process for each account and VPC you want to connect. After creating attachments, you need to set up route tables for the transit gateway. Back on the Transit Gateway dashboard, select Route Tables. Click Create Route Table. Provide a name for the route table. Associate it with your transit gateway. Click Create Route Table to finalize. Now, add routes to your route table for communication between VPCs. Select the newly created route table. Click on Edit Routes and then Add Route. Specify the destination CIDR block of the VPC you want to route traffic to. Select the appropriate attachment as the target. Click Save Routes to apply your changes. Repeat the route addition for all the connections you wish to establish. Next, ensure that your VPC route tables are updated to point to the transit gateway. Open the VPC dashboard and select Route Tables. Choose the route table linked to your VPC. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.